here at Pewter Creek, and I had a really good day today. I caught two fish on a dry fly, which I normally don't fish. I'm normally fishing with the Euro nymphing rig, but I decided to bring them both. And there were a bunch of fish that were rising, and I decided to put on a dry fly, and sure enough, I got a personal best and another one, so it was awesome. So, awesome. Great day, great, awesome. There's one over there. Ooh, I got one. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh my goodness. Nice. Finally, on a dry fly. Okay. Okay. All right, buddy. Ooh. Oh, he's big. Ooh. Oh. Keep tension on him. Oh, this guy's a big guy. Ooh. Yeah, look at this. He's a big guy. Ooh. Oh, he's trying to, oh. Come on, sir. Oh, oh, he's a big guy. Oh, look at this guy. Oh. Dry fly, too. Ooh, he's a big guy. Yes! Woohoo! Alright. Let's see, where do we get to? Alright, you are 11 and 9. You are a 20-incher, Mr. Man. Ooh. Right at the top here. Alright. I gotta get my this up so I can. Okay. Got tangled in your mouth, Mr. Man. Oh shoot. You are 14 and 13 and 8. It's 21 inches. You are my personal best. Ooh. Nice. Fish. Oh, I got another one. Oh, stay on. Stay on. Yes, I got another one. Oh, 2 on the dry fly in one day. Come on. There he is. Not as big as the first one, but he might be though. He's not even. Woo. Number 2 on the dry fly. This one is 7 and 13 inches. All right, bud. Hold on.